All right, good morning everyone. So we're gonna head down the U-Bell downhill. I think I see some older fat bike grooves here. Oh boy, under the snow, tracks under the snow, and oh yeah, pretty deep today. So we've got a decent sized base, and then it's been snowing all night. Oh, it's just dabbing like crazy getting out of the groove here. All right, there we go. Whoa. Let's follow these footprints. There we go. There we are. All right. Always challenging in the snow and ice. Oh, off trail a bit. Yeah, it looks like someone put some marks in. Always good to see. Just getting to the top of this little peak. There we go. I think I might take the new exit down. We'll see if that's where these fat bike trails go to. It's probably tough to see with the contrast. Oh no, they go straight. Okay, we'll head down here. The contrast of the snow. Oh shoot. Oh, that could have been a little more of a disaster. Oh, this is like a rear brake only. Touch the front and it'll wash out. There we are. All right, kept the rubber side down. That's good. Oh man, that's soft. Really soft snow there. All right, we'll head over this way. Do some of this single track. Nice to be riding in daylight hours versus my old night rides over and over again. Probably nicer to watch too. Oh man, struggling today. Yeah, I had some, so I wear prescription glasses. I had some prescription sunglasses, but the nose piece broke, so those are off for warranty. So now I'm kind of watching, riding just my regular glasses, but the snow's so bright and it's tough to see. It's just like a big blanket over everything. It's hard to tell where the little lips are and everything like that, but that's okay. We're out riding. That's what's important. Super nice day. It's like only -6. Got this fresh snow falling, cutting some trail, and yeah, it's It's really good. Nice to get outside, excuse to get out during the winter, get on the bike, spin the legs. And pack down some trail for more fat bikes and more rides. All right, with the fresh snow, we're gonna do a little bit of climbing here to see how the bike does in the fresh stuff. I packed down elk a fair bit, went to and from work that way a bunch of times, so hopefully that one is a decent climb. Guess it kind of depends how much snow we got overnight, but yeah. Awesome. I love that crunch of snow you hear underneath the tires. There we are. Pretty cool. This is in the middle of the city. You hear the cars driving by on Loop Up Drive, and you can see them, but still, just because I'm facing their direction. All right, little punchy climb out. Oh, perfect. Nice. Lots of grip. There we are. Sheer ice I'm on right now. Thank you, studded tires. All right. Looks like these trails got quite a bit of traffic over the last few days here. I'm gonna go this way. Everything's rideable. This is awesome. I was a little bit worried I'd have to really air down, but this is good. You know, I decided to post up a little bit more of my ride instead of just all the downhills. Do some of the flat bits and stuff. Especially because it seems like YouTube is changing and longer videos are kind of the key. So let's see. Oh, grind it out here. Oh, slept. Okay. All right, we're gonna head up Elk here. Oh, I'm in the soft bits. go. All right, we're just on the very top of the muff. Whew. A lot of climbing. Let's head on down. Hit this trail here. Down here. There we go. This one gets a fair bit of traffic, so I think we should be rolling pretty smooth. As long as I can stay on the trail and in the groove on this upper part. All right, here we go. Lower muff. Rode down this once so far since we got the snow, so hopefully it should be somewhat decent shape. Maybe there's a little more traffic went through. Pretty slippery underneath the snow. Studs are doing their job. Yeah, it's super slippery under here. As soon as I turn the front wheel just a tad, it really slides out on me. Whoa. Maybe that's a bad idea. Let's see. Oh shoot. It's probably not a smart idea here. What I'm about to do. Front end is just sliding out like crazy. Oh man. I don't know if you can see my tracks there, but I basically went sideways with the bike down that. Oh, okay. Well, that worked out. Yeah, it's a little slippery, just a tad. It's just a tad. Knocked all the snow off of that little section of trail though. All right, little pedally bit down here. Go back to Elk, we'll climb up that. Super nice down here though, especially on a day like today. Yeah, this is like all the things I like about winter right here. All right. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. All right, guys. Well, I think that's about it. Anyways, this just heads out to the base of the elk I'll be climbing up. So, you guys take care. Thanks for watching. If you like the longer video, let me know. If you don't, let me know as well, because then I'll edit these to a bit shorter. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you're still watching. This is gonna be a little bit longer than my normal, but yeah, you guys take care. Thanks again.